What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1994 Caprice Wagon. This one here is a lot of customized pinstriping. They went a little crazy on the air cleaner there. Cold AC, 5.7. Disc brakes in the front, drum in the rear. Boss 338 wheels, the side pipes, custom paint job. Lots of stuff done with this one. The reverse seat in the back, which I've always thought was awesome. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures of this car and all of our inventory. We update that every Monday. And if you hit that subscribe button, I post videos of all these cars, test drives and walkarounds. Just got back from the test drive on this one and it drove awesome. So definitely check that out if you're interested. We're gonna start up here in the front. I'm gonna be looking for chips, scratches, anything you need to know about before you make your trip down here. Let's get started. Looking up here in the front, you can see the headlight's got a little crack in it, and there is a little spider web going on in the front of that bumper. A little bit of paint missing in the cracks there. And some more spider webbing going on over here in the corner. This custom pinstriping is all over the car. They even got etched glass on the windows. The tires are in good shape. Like I said, Boss 338s. Spotlights on either side. It says Sport Edition on it. I'm looking for any kind of chips, scratches, any rust. Anything I could find. So far, so good. Yeah, you see the glass is etched here. A little cracking going on inside the jam there. I went ahead and opened the back so not fumbling the camera around. They've even got pinstriping on the trim in here. Got a little chunk of paint missing on the bumper. More of the glass has been done here. Out of Sevierville, Tennessee. Exhaust actually comes out the back. Got some chips in the paint, some spider webs, and a little rust actually popping up back here in the panel. One custom wagon. All right, made it all the way around the car here. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out. We'll be shutting the hood down here shortly after we start it up. It's got a lot more paint scheme to go. Door opens up nice and easy. The seats are in great condition, not all tore up. Little wear popping up on the inside there. Some of my gear, cloth seat in the back and then leather in the very back. The dash isn't all cracked. Most of the time these are. It's got pinstriping up in the windshield and on the dash here on both sides, and your door panels as well. Pinstriping everywhere. Carpet looks pretty good in this one. Go ahead and take a seat. Start her up. Cold AC. Oil pressure's good. Showing 183,000 miles on the dash. We do have the face of the radio in the office. If you check out the test drive I played with this constantly, it's got a little ice cream, like horse sounds and all kinds of different stuff on it. A little vocal mic for the PA. Go ahead and place your bets on that. Do you think that horn works? Windshield wipers do. Horn. It does work. Motor's nice and quiet on this one. Let's go ahead and shut the hood down. All right, guys, we walked all the way around this car, checked everything out, tried to pick all the flaws that I could. We're gonna give you some undercarriage shots real quick. Definitely check out the test drive and hit up maplemotors.com for those pictures. I do appreciate y'all watching. Like I said, check out Maple Motors for financing and shipping information, as well as those pictures. All of our inventory is updated every Monday. And if you want to find easy access to any of my videos, type the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar, and you should be able to find 2 videos of each car. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again.